how to create animated stickers on WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create your animated stickers on WhatsApp. So first thing first, simply head over to any of your preferred chat, and once you're inside here, simply select on this sticker icon at the left side, and once you're inside here, you'll be seeing under the GIF section, you'll be seeing a lot of GIF, which is also a moving animation. So to create your own animated sticker, what you can do is simply head over to this icon, which is like a box icon over here, and you'll see create your own stickers from over here. So simply click on create your own stickers option, and from over here you can simply select any of the photos inside your gallery and use it as a sticker just like this, and customize accordingly and send them to your friends. So that is it guys, hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.